going on, you beautiful people? Matt here. We've been having some incredible sunsets lately in Spokane in the Pacific Northwest, and tonight's shaping up to be no exception. I took these ones the other night when the sun was like insane. It was like so red, so beautiful. The problem with these, I did them as a panorama, and I really wanted to post them to Instagram, but you know, it doesn't really fit that 1080 by 1080 size framework. Anyway, let's go hit up Photoshop. Check out some solutions for this problem for posting panorama style photos on Instagram. Let's go. Alright guys, so I have been getting a handful of questions about this lately on how to make a solid swiping image in Instagram. Super simple. Let me show you. Let's get into it in Photoshop. Alright, so once we get Photoshop booted up, we are going to open up our panorama. I'm going to go here to create new. And then what I've done here is created a custom size. The height is always going to be 1080 on Instagram. And then the width is 3240. So what I'm going to do here is just hit create, and then file, place embedded, right here, I believe it's that one, and just kind of fit it to equal out to this size. Alright, so I'm going to go up to view, and then go down to new guide layout, and I already have this set to go to 3 different images because it's wide enough to account for that. So I hit OK. I'm going to go up to our slice tool and then say kadoosh, slice from guides. That's going to cut it into 3 exact images. I'm going to file, export, save for web, legacy, Subaru legacy. And then what I'm going to do is change it to a JPEG image, high quality. I'm going to bump this quality up a little bit though to 100. And then image size 3240 by 1080 looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and save that. We'll just export that to the desktop, title it Pano for Insta, why not? It's gonna do its magic. And then once we get to the desktop, we're gonna find a folder there called images. Got our Pano for Insta. What we're gonna do is we'll just airdrop that to my phone. So, got our photos here. Then what we're gonna do, just go to the Instagram app, start a new thing, and what we're gonna do is go boosh, boosh, boosh. Whoops, just kidding. Next, it looks like it's gonna swipe real nice. Next, we're gonna share it, and then on Instagrams, this is what it's gonna look like as a final product. It's just kind of a fun way to display your image that you spent a lot of time taking a really beautiful panorama. And that's also another way to display it, is do 3 across, and then on your last one do the swiping image. Anyway, kind of fun. Thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful to some of you, and hope to see some of your swipe Instagram images, whatever you want to call that. I don't have a good word for it, but if you do, be sure to tag me, Jeebs2112. I'd love to see what you do with it, because it's just kind of a fun way to interact with Instagram. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. See you on the next one. Peace.